Got a phone call from a couple of kids. I guess their dad tried to fix the air conditioning. Let me go see what's going on.
Hi, Ice. We need serious help. Our dad broke the air conditioner. What do we do now? Can you come today? Great, see you soon. Ice is on the way. Now this feels good.
What are you guys doing?
What, Dad? You're the one who broke the air conditioner. Yeah, we caught Ice.
Your mom is gonna kill me. What? Get out of that tub. Get a towel. Who's this now? Quick, get out.
Good morning. My name is Junior from ICE. We got a call about broken air conditioning.
My kids are turning this house into a hotel resort. Wait a minute. I didn't call you. How?
I think it was a kid.
Was it my kids? Oh.
Ooh, that gotta hurt.
Hi, come on in. Come inside.
So when your filter that you guys are using, it's too small for the opening. So what happened is the frame wasn't able to hold it in place, so it got sucked up, and the only part that's working is that circle you see. So instead of you having a 20 by 25 area for the air to return to the unit, you only have the circumference here about 16 inches. So you're losing a lot of airflow. Your unit is working a lot harder than it should to cool the house down. It could probably cause breakdowns, and it will definitely increase your power bill by at least 15%.
15%?
That's why our power bill went up?
Oh, man. Dang it.
See? This will save you some headaches.
Next time, just call ICE.
Yeah, good idea.
Here we go. Thank you so much for having us
Thank
today.
you for coming.
Here's my cell phone. If you need anything, feel free to give me a call anytime.